Creating designs that are accessible and inclusive is essential for connecting with a diverse audience. Canva's design accessibility tool makes it easy to check for common accessibility issues and offers straightforward solutions so you can feel confident that your designs will work for everyone, regardless of their visual abilities. With this tool, you can quickly assess and resolve issues related to typography, color contrast, and alternative text. Let's walk through how it works and how Canva helps you address any problem areas. To get started, open your design in Canva, go to the top toolbar and select File, then navigate to Accessibility and click on Check Design Accessibility. Canva will then scan your design and break down its findings into 3 main categories: typography, color contrast, and alternative text. For typography, Canva checks for readable font sizes and line spacing to make sure text is clear and easy to follow. If any text elements are flagged, Canva will display suggestions to improve readability, such as adjusting the font size or modifying spacing. You can apply these suggestions directly from the tool, making it a quick way to enhance text legibility. The color contrast section identifies any low contrast text that might be hard to read against its background. Canva will list the specific text boxes that need attention and provide an option to apply suggested text color to improve contrast. With one click, you can make these adjustments, ensuring that your text stands out clearly. As you fix each area, Canva will mark it as resolved, so you can confirm when your color contrast is up to standard. Finally, alternative text highlights any images or graphics missing alt text, which is essential for users who rely on screen readers. Canva prompts you to add descriptive text to these visuals, allowing those with visual impairments to understand the content of your images. You can add alt text directly in the tool, ensuring your design is accessible and informative for all users. Canva's design accessibility tool provides a simple but powerful way to create designs that are readable, usable, and inclusive. By following the tool's guidance on typography, color contrast, and alternative text, you're making thoughtful adjustments that ensure your content reaches a broader audience. Next time you're finalizing a design, take a few moments to run the accessibility checker. It's an easy step that can make a world of difference. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.